All right, so we're here at a project where we had to do a foundation replacement. So what happened was, if you want to come take a look, what happened was we came here for an inspection and we found that there was some settlement in this corner of the home. What happened was the previous homeowner had actually covered up the foundation wall, and there was severe deterioration of the foundation walls. You can see some of it over here, same kind of a thing, how it's starting to corrode away. You can see it breaks apart like that. So it's not sound concrete, and it was covered up so we weren't able to see it. And then when the foundation repair contractor came to fix the foundation, install some piers, they took off that cover and found that the foundation was in this crumbling condition and needed to be replaced. So what we did was design some piers, some helical piers to be installed, support the existing structure. So it's kind of up on stilts right now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to actually cast these in. So we're going to install some plates to be cast into a new foundation wall. And so there'll be a new foundation wall all along the perimeter. And on the interior, we're going to have, there's this steel beam running across, and the steel beam will have columns coming down. There's actually some other helical piers here. And then on this side, there was a crawl space, and you see the crawl space is still kind of there. So they'll excavate all that out. Same thing on the other side, is they'll have foundation walls all the way across, excavate this out, and then we're also going to be adding an addition on the back side of the home. So quite a project due to a former homeowner covering up a deteriorated foundation that now needs to be replaced.